Hi guys, I'm gonna decode 3 old albums and 3 new albums in 2 separate videos because I'm gonna spend about 5 minutes each, okay? I used to have an old channel called K-Dog Ottawa, which I deleted. I used to decode albums because I have lots and lots of albums, guys. And it actually got me started to see that everything is done for a reason. And Hollywood, you have to sell your soul to Hollywood, okay, if you want to be famous, if you want to be published, and it's all goes back to 9/11. So I'll show you why. Starting with U2, the Joshua Tree, okay? The Joshua Tree, okay? TJT, you know, Jesus, go double-crossed, guys. TJT. So look at this universe, okay? This is the universe. Remember the left hand of God and the right hand of God? So look at this. The left hand of God is empty and the right hand of God is full. Well, that's a good start, right? Now let's focus in on the right hand of God. Okay, you can further break it down into left and right. So the Bono and the Edge are on the left hand of God, and Larry Mullen Jr. and Adam Clayton are on the right hand of God. So count the number of black holes on the faces. Okay, look, Bono has ear, eye, nose, mouth. 4. The Edge has eye, nose, mouth. Okay? The drummer has 2 ears, 2 eyes, 2 nostrils, and mouth, and so does the bassist. You can see his ear way back here, and ear, eye, nose, mouth. Okay, so let's see what that means. Okay, so left hand is empty, right hand is full of stuff. Again, left hand is Bono on the Edge. Okay, and you have to understand, you have to read things backwards, and you have to flip things upside down sometimes. Okay, so Bono has 4 black holes, Edge 5. Those guys have 7 and 7 each. So black holes, read them from left to right. Now you're going to read them 4, 5, 7, 7. Now, 4 and 5 is 9, guys. 7 and 7 is 14. Read it backwards because it's a universe of 2 galaxies. It's a 41. 4 ones is an 11, 11. 9, 11, 9, 11, guys. Now, let's open the gatefold of the album. And this is what we have. Again, left hand of God, the right hand of God. This depicts something different. Count the black holes, okay? You can see his ear. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the Edge. 7 on Larry Mullen Jr. Bono here, you can see 2 ears, 2 eyes, 2 nose, and a mouth. And on Adam Clayton, you can't see one of his ears, so you can only see 6 black holes. Look at 13 and 13, guys. So, I know that God is 26, okay? N, the lower dimension of God, is 26, okay? And 2 M's make a V with a line on top, because in Roman numerals, this is how it goes, okay? To create something, you need 2 lower dimensions to create a higher dimension. So an M and an M is equal to V with a line on top. The line on top signifies 1,000 times the number V, which is 5. 5,000. So check it out. If a 0 is a 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Isn't that interesting, guys? So moving on, we're going to depict not a very good album, I'd say, but a very significant part of everyone's life. Star Wars. Why are the S and T connected? Why are the R and S connected? Why are they divided by this universe and this universe? You have a universe. Okay, guys? Let's count the dots and let's count the lines. Shall we? Star Wars. Check it out, guys. Break it into segments of dots and lines, okay? Star has 13 zero-dimensional dots and 12 one-dimensional lines or segments. Wars has 14 zero-dimensional dots or singularities and 13 one-dimensional lines or segments. Remember, you read your dots before your lines, okay? So 12 and 13, they're both universes of 2 galaxies, just like 13 is a universe of 2 galaxies and 14 is a universe of 2 galaxies. Read everything backwards, guys. 21, 31, 31, 41. Get rid of the circles, so you add your plus 1, and you get 22, 32, 32, 42, which is your 4 and 5, which is 9, and 5 and 6, which is 11. Okay? You want to see 9/11 again? Sure, why not, guys? I'm here to help. These are the galaxies in the universe rightly divided. Okay? These are what they mean when you find the letters of the alphabet which correspond to each letter in the universes and galaxies, because the S and T and R and S are combined. When you add them together, you get 39, 1, 18, 23, 1, and 37. Remember to read everything backwards, guys. 93, 1, 81, 32, 1, 73. Get rid of the circles, add +1 to everything. Here you go. Okay, now let's break it down further. 9 and 4 is 13, 8 and 2 is 10, 3 and 3 is 6, 7 and 4 is 11. A 0 is a 1, guys. 1 and 3 is 4, 1 and 1. Okay? Now, this breaks down further to 6, 1, 1, and 8, 1, 1. And because we know of the knowledge of the poles and the cross, the 8 is a fly speck, because when you turn on its side, it's basically, it is one continuous line, but it actually looks like, you know, a fly speck. Creates a singularity. Which, if you look at it a different way, makes the cross, which is 3 dots and 3 lines. This is an infinite line. This is a segment, this is a segment, this isn't the segment. This is an infinite line. Therefore, 8 is equal to 33. Okay? This is equivalent to this, which is equivalent to this. We'll bring the ones over the other side. You have 2 9/11s, guys, because if you look at everything up as down, it's 2 9/11s. Okay? 2 9/11s. That's what Star Wars is. Now, the next album, I'm going to go into some great detail because there is a shit ton of code here. Okay? There is a lot of code here. Check it out. Saturday Night Fever. SNF. Saturn Night Flesh. So this is a universe of 3 makes 4 makes 5. Okay? Let's count their black holes, okay, guys? Look at the eyes and nose and ears. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 15 black holes. Let's count their fingers, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. And how many legs they have and what are their arms doing, okay? Let's just decode that right away, okay? So, first of all, their name is Gibb. Barry, Robin, and Maurice Gibb. So, God, okay, is 26. D is the 4th letter. I should have maybe done it lowercase. Lowercase. And lowercase, lowercase. A 0 is a 1, and a D is 4th letter, and a B, a B is the 2nd letter. Let me just do that over here. So they think they're God, guys. Okay? Barry, Robin, and Maurice sounds like a male, female, male. But that's backwards, guys, because to make a one-dimensional line, okay, you need 2 dots to make a line, but females have the holes that males put the lines in. Okay, so everything is backwards, okay? They're depicting backwards creation. Now, they have 15 black holes. Remember the Doors had a song? 5 to 1, baby, 1 in 5. No one here gets out alive. Backwards of 15 is 51. 5 and 1 is 6. Upside down is your 9. Okay? Check it out. They have 3 heads. Remember, 3 makes 4 makes 5. So they have 3 heads. 0, or an O, is the 15th letter of the alphabet. 15 times 3 is 45. 4 and 5 is 9. Look what they're doing with their arms, guys. They're making a bunch of L's. Okay, they're making a bunch of L's. L is the 12th letter of the alphabet. Add 2 12s, you get 24. 24 of it is X, Chronos. X is depicted as 5 dots and 4 lines, so you have a 9, 9, 9. 27 is a 9. Okay, there's your 9. Another 9, guys. Now, let's check out their legs. Okay, look. 2 legs, 1 leg. Okay, look at the legs. Okay, 11, 11, and 1. You have 2 1s and 2 1s and a 1, which are 4 1s. Okay? 4 1s. 4 1s. 11, 11, guys. Now the fingers, I saw 14 total, okay? Look at it backwards. Again, 4 1s, 11, 11. Look at all the 9 11s, guys. Now check out John. Let's look at let's look at the circles, okay? So in this universe, we have 1 band, okay? These are just the Bee Gees. So we have 1 in a circle. Okay, 1 in a circle, when you get rid of the circle, is 2. 2 is an 11, guys. Who do we have over here? We have Tavares, Yvonne Elliman, KC and the Sunshine Band, Kool and the Gang, Walter Murphy, Tramps, Ralph McDonald, and MFSB. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 bands in a universe. Get rid of the circle. You have 9. 9, 11. 9, 11. Now let's focus on John Travolta for a second, okay? How many black holes does he have? He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Upside down is 9. How many fingers is he showing? Well, here you have 5. 5 closed plus 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3. 5 and 3 is 8, and then you have 1 distinctly pointing up. So his hands are showing a 1 up in a circle and 8 closed in a circle. Again, that's the 9/11. Now let's look at his arms and his legs. Look, he has 1 arm and 1 leg that are straight and 1 arm bent. So 2 segments, you know? 2 segments. So you have a 1 and a 1 and a 2 and a 2. Okay? You have a 1 and a 2 or a 2 and a 1 for 1 bent and 1 straight. The bent counts as 2. You have 2 bends. Bends. And 1 straight. So again, 2 ones, it's 11, guys. So also look at his feet. The colors are important. Work hard, play hard, and yellow is death. So his right leg is stepping on work hand. Okay, work hard. The righteous leg is stepping on work hard. So he's saying, screw work hard, putting the left, you know, which is the evil side, on death, and he's not touching play hard. Isn't that interesting, guys? So let's open up the gatefold, okay? This is crazy. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. 9, 11. Okay? Look what's happening. 3, 1, 2, 3 on this side of the gatefold, and 3 makes 4, makes 5, okay? This is just a whole bunch more 9/11s. Now let's look at the pictures individually. Look, we have, there's John Travolta, so male MF, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 with the circle around it's a 9. How many times is she in it? She's in it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? She's in it 5 times. You don't 5. 5 is a 1 and 4. But she's in 2 and 3. Or 3 and 2. 3 and 2 with a circle around it would be 33. You know, that equals 8 and 9. Again, just I see a bunch, and I see so many 9/11s here, guys. And then on the back of the album, just the icing on the cake, guys. Okay, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9/11, 9/11, or 9/11. Okay, guys. I hope that some of this spoke to you. Okay? Cheers.